Welcome to Unfiltered Chapters, where we have one authentic conversation each at a time. I'll be your host, Dennis Njage Masharia. Yes, now, Dennis is a born-again young man. You have seen me on this podcast severally, but now I'll be hosting the podcast, and I know it's going to be an amazing, amazing time. With me, I have wonderful and amazing people, and I will want them to introduce themselves in this way. Your name, what you do, are you single, or rather your status? and one more interesting thing, what is your favorite restaurant in Nakuru? What is your favorite restaurant in Nakuru? Nyinyi wenye mko na restaurants na zitasemwa hapa, tunaadvertisia. You pay us, please. You pay us. So, let me start with Lenny.
Thank you. My name is Lenny. Actually, my favorite restaurant is kuna hii restaurant fulani iko hapo hivyo nyuma ya inaitwa Quickmart. Kumbuki inaitwa Jadid. Restaurant inaitwa Jadid. I went and ate a platter there, and let me tell you, Maina, how I felt. I've never felt that feeling in my life. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's all I have for now.
No.
Yes. What?
Your name, what you do,
Yes.
your status,
Oh,
and then now you have mentioned the last one.
So what I do, I'm currently a student at Egerton University. So I have no occupation as of now.
Did you have to mention the school?
Yeah. You just have to know the school. You guys.
Aish.
I'm advertising the school.
You have
Show
not
off.
mentioned the course.
The
That
course.
one will kill it.
Oh,
No.
eh?
Wait.
Yeah. Let me not mention that for now.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
We'll bring it
Yeah, I'll
later.
bring it later.
All right.
And
Joshua, please.
Hajasema
Oh,
status.
Anaruka hiyo kwa
Aseme
nini?
status.
No, tell us. Unaruka hiyo kwa nini?
yeah, status. I'd rather not say that for now. Yeah.
Tunajua.
Mambo inachemka.
Yeah, we will venture onto it as we go on.
As we go on,
Yeah.
we will know.
We will know.
Na
Actually.
feature white.
Yeah, it's actually
Aya.
complicated.
All right. Thank you, Lenny. Josh.
I'm grateful to be here. Yeah, as you've heard, I'm Joshua. Status single, ready to mingle, if possible. At least.
Yeah, mingling.
Not with Lenny though.
Ai, hapo kitumbua kitakuwa kimeingia.
Tenga mchanga.
Currently a student. Yeah, in the University of Embu.
But then have you noticed Lenny's university is Egerton University, just Egerton University. And then Joshua's university is the University of
Of
Embu.
Embu.
Let me tell you.
There's a
No,
Hakuna
difference.
it's
cha-
grammar.
no,
It's
no, no,
grammar.
no.
It's not Nini. It's
Oh.
grammar. Now when
I thought you wanted to.
Tulikuwa umeanza kujitetea.
I'm from Egerton, so I know Egerton is Egerton.
Yeah.
I know.
But it's been long.
Haina
Oh, your enemies are suffering.
the
But like for example, it's the University of Nairobi,
Yeah.
Kenyatta University.
Yeah.
Now, when the university is named by a town, you have to start with the. But when it's named with a person or something, you start with. You just.
What
say
are
it.
you saying?
So
wait.
Yeah.
Egerton
What are
is
you
a
trying to
person?
say?
the prestigiousness
Egerton,
of the
the
school.
Lord
yani.
Egerton.
Is a person?
He was one of the royalties.
Ah.
Eh. Lord Egerton Castle, you
Yeah.
remember?
Is the castle still standing?
Yeah,
Very much. In
but
fact, I was there
but
the other
it's-
day.
It's in a
Shambles.
yes,
Shackles.
it's in shambles. Surely they should renovate that place and make it a nice place. No, it's broken glasses,
Yes.
walls,
true.
nini floors zimechibuka
Dennis,
chibuka
are
ziko
you
tu.
really
Yeah,
an
moss on the
ambassador of
walls.
Egerton?
Yeah.
You have
No,
the audacity to talk like
you
that.
see, I
I'm
don't.
hurt. And in fact, we are talking about matters of the heart. I'm already hurt. I'm already.
Some of us who went to USIU, we can't relate.
You can't relate.
We
You know what
can't
that is?
relate. Like what you
Okay.
guys
We are
say.
sorry.
Okay. Now the USIU lady,
Yes.
please go next.
Joshua hajasema status.
Amesema ko single, ready to mingle.
We are
Kwa nini hukusikia?
Kasemekana sina Lenny.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Lizzie Mudhoni. I am a corporate communicator / digital marketer. My favorite restaurant is Sarova Woodlands in Nakuru. My status, complicated. Anyway, now I'm seeing this awesome human being.
All right. Now, for something to be your favorite, you'll have to have gone there for quite a number of times, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Ama, it's favorite by name. And so you have been to Sarova
Definitely.
Woodlands severally.
Yes, I have.
Wow, interesting.
Watu wenye
Would you mind
pesa.
taking us?
When I get my money's right,
Uh-huh.
oh go.
Tatu spoil.
Very nice, very nice. And last but not least, our very own Jacinta.
The skipper.
Lenny.
Sorry.
So, hi guys. I know you're familiar with me. Jacinta here. So, I'm not new. Nimemaliza shule. Currently unemployed. Natafuta kazi. Status complicated. It's complicated.
How complicated on a
How?
scale of
Liz,
1 to 10?
sijakuuliza.
Yeah.
Liz.
But tell us, how
There's a
complicated is it?
difference.
Together with Lenny, they will
Yeah,
tell
what?
us.
Yes,
How
what? No,
complicated
what?
is it?
Define complicated.
Or are you guys
We
the
will dive
complication?
deep as we continue with the
Ama they're in this together.
Yes.
Dennis. Unajua nitatoka hapa. Eh? Nitatoka. Ni nyinyi mmeniita hapa.
Okay.
Your favorite
Okay.
restaurant?
I don't have one in particular in Nakuru. Mine is based in Nairobi. Because
which
huko
one?
ndo nime-explore more. Yes. Oh, ani name it?
Yes.
Ooh, the Crave
The
in
Crave.
Nairobi.
Kuna watu wawili tu wana relate. Sasa,
Yes. You know it?
wow.
Yeah,
Wale
nice
Waswahili.
one.
Yeah. Wale Swale.
Swale hadi ni mzuri. Leni. Swale kweli.
Wale ni
Banasi.
tamu. Have you tasted smocha? By the way, guys, you should try smocha ya Swale.
I would just mocha
Lakini
wewe.
walipandisha
Hiyo ya-
bei.
All right, guys. Walipandisha bei.
Yeah.
Mpaka okay. Aya, sawa. Wow, amazing. I think we have started off on a good note. Now, today, we are talking about matters of the heart.
We.
You know, now
Oui.
our topic of today is love. Now we'll be talking about relationship,
Oh, yes.
courtship, and marriage. Relationship, courtship, and marriage.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, now I'm being reminded.
Your status.
I've
Your
mentioned
status,
my
please.
status,
Mm.
but I've not mentioned what I do.
Wait, you
And-
not mentioned your
Would you like
status.
to
You
mention
guys were
that?
not concentrating.
No, you
No.
did not mention
Joshua
it.
Sulisikia.
Alisema.
Hukusikia
Pardon?
Joshua
Yes,
nikisema?
yes, yes, side na wewe hapo.
Come again.
Come again. Come again.
So guys, I'm the host, so I'm directing this thing.
No.
So
We are going to leave your show.
mine,
We boycott it.
We are going to boycott this show.
Alafu
Ma-
tuone
mine-
nani atajibu maswali. Your status.
no, my status, so that you remain to the end of the show. I'll tell you my status at the end of the show.
We are keeping that at the
Please,
Ah,
guys,
mind.
remind me, okay?
That is personal.
My favorite,
I have to.
my favorite restaurant would be. Wow, lately I've loved Bama. No, not Bama, Bava. Bava restaurant. I've loved it. But now there is one I want to try out that seems to be very promising called the Beam. Now I'm just waiting for an opportunity and then I'll pounce on it and go there, and then perhaps that will be my next favorite. What do? I'm a student. Okay, I'm a graduate of economics and statistics. I'm also an accountant in the making. I'm also a student of Bible and theology. And also, I am a culinary artist. Now, for many of you, you'll not understand what that is. Now, I'll give you that task. Go and check what is culinary art. And I know you'll love it. I know our producer there is not getting what I'm saying.
Dennis anatupea pressure.
we can see.
What have we been doing with our lives?
I know.
You guys.
Anafanya
for real, you don't
tuonekane.
know? No, you don't know, guys. They don't know.
The way
Yes.
he's given his
Lenny.
credentials.
But also, I do music.
Achia hapo bana.
Plus
The
many more
profession.
things. Plus many more things. Producer anasema tuachane na yeye.
Haradi
Hatuwezi. You're part of the show.
I think at some point in the show we need to hear the
Yes,
the
Yes,
crew,
part.
the
crew.
producing crew.
Yes.
Thank you.
Wakisema kitu. By the
Especially
way, as we are ending the show,
Yeah.
they will also tell us their names
Their status.
and their status.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Anatuthreaten.
Especially the producer.
Anatuthreaten.
Especially the
The
producer.
The guys behind the camera. The
Exactly.
cameraman.
Exactly. Wow. So matters of the heart. Love, relationship, courtship, and marriage. But as a start, I'll want to ask this question to the one in a relationship now with a very amazing person. Liz. No, because all of us, everybody, no, there are two who are complicated. They're complicating each other's life.
Wow, Lenny.
And then there is one who is single and ready to mingle. And then there is
If
you
possible.
in a relationship with an amazing person. What is love? How would you define love?
Oh boy.
Mambo inachemka.
Hey, okay, that's deep. Love for me is it's more than what? It's more than an emotion. It's more than I don't know. I don't know how to put that in words, but I'll try. Wow.
It's an
Love is
unexplained
an
feeling.
expression. Is an expression of what goes on in the heart. That's what I would say.
An expression of what goes on in the heart.
Yes.
Interesting.
Mm.
So umesema it's not a feeling, it's more than a feeling.
It's more than that.
Does it involve feelings or it's
Definitely,
okay?
but I think there is more to it
More
than
to it
just
than
emotions.
just emotions and
Yes.
feelings.
Yeah.
All right. Now, Joshua, what do you think?
On the basing on love,
On what you've seen.
On your
On
experience.
what you've seen others do. Not
sina
you.
experience. Nataka kuventure hiyo sector.
Okay.
Yeah. So, love is like being affectionate to someone or deeply attracted to them regarding what their character, their behavior, or their appearance as how they carry themselves.
Wow. Quite detailed. Thank you, Joshua, for that. Now, Lenny. How would you define a relationship? Is love different from a relationship?
Yes.
Okay. What is a relationship? And will you be in
Oh.
a relationship with somebody you don't love?
Sema ukweli, Lenny.
Umemchanganya.
You know, Dennis,
Yes.
there are things called circumstances.
Okay.
There are things called also situationships.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So, basing on the question of is love different from a relationship, I would say both yes and no.
Okay.
Because a relationship, it's like, okay, me and you, we have the relationship of being friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But now a relationship, a love relationship, what I'd say it is
Mambo yanachemka.
Umekulemea.
where-
Umeshindwa
where-
kupanda mlima.
Okay.
Punda amechoka.
maybe we put it in an example. Let's put an example. Let's say me and Liz here, we were dating,
ungesema tu
We're
Liz.
just saying an example.
For example.
Yeah.
Ukosha ni example.
Then maybe dadangu
Wow.
pale she comes in, yeah, as a bestie. You know people have besties, isn't it? She comes in as a bestie, but then she gives me more vibe than Liz is giving me,
Kuisha.
isn't it? No, like
A
not like
replacement.
that way.
Ouch.
Your ways. Eh?
Where?
Change or perish.
She's treating me, yeah, how maybe that woman you were expecting to be in a relationship with would have supposed to be treating you. Now in that case, then is to me and Liz would be in situationship, but me and Cynthia would be in a relationship.
I want to counter attack.
Na Leni unanieka kwa moto. Leni unanieka kwa moto.
It's just an example.
We, example yako
Remember, it's an
inanirudisha
example.
pale
Just
kwa
an example,
nini.
viewers. Just an example.
Please clarify.
Yeah, it's just
Okay,
an
Liz,
example.
ulikuwa unataka counter attack.
Yes.
Usemeje?
What do you mean? Ati you're not receiving something from this particular partner that you're with. See, you communicate. That is why you guys are in a relationship. You communicate. You tell them, this is how I like, this is how I feel when you say this. This is how I like things done. Like you communicate with your partner.
Do you know?
What do you mean, Ati, you're going to your bestie just because your partner is not like,
It's not
No.
vibing.
is not vibing with you? What do you mean?
You know, people are different, isn't it?
Okay.
And I might come and communicate now with that who I'm calling my partner. At that time, anaweza kuwa maybe, si unajua hadi wewe maybe ukipewa advice na mzazi, hiyo masaa unasikiza. Then the same mistake, you come and repeat it the next day. And you already told the previous day usifanye hivi. The Bible says in Proverbs chapter 26 verse 11, like the way dogs return to their vomit, so do fools repeat their folly.
Where?
So in that concept, what I'm saying now, I didn't mejichanganya.
Unaweza confirmiwa hiyo.
Inaweza confirmiwa. So what I'm saying now, people are different. There is that one mwenye atakusikiza na I take to heart. Alafu mwingine ataona ni kama sasa wewe ananiambia nini? Aka kananiambia nini?
Why are you talking as if you are forced to be in that relationship? Kwani see, before you get into a relationship, you have to know someone first. Kwani
Yeah,
wewe unataka
that's
kudate kina
true.
nani Leni?
You know, sometimes mtu unaingianga kwa relationship because of pity. Sometimes.
No,
Pity.
Sometimes.
I beg.
I think that
I
one.
beg.
Hey.
Huyu, unaona
Let me tell you.
Dennis? Wait. Nyinyi ndio mnafanya au ndio wanafanya wanaume mwaribiwe jina because of
Exactly.
pity.
Ati pity.
How do
I'm
you?
not saying for me alone.
For
Lenny.
example, you.
No,
For example, you.
some people enter into relationship because of pity.
Pity. Why would
Surely.
you enter into a relationship
But
when you're pitying
know,
someone?
Exactly.
Because you know some people don't know how to say no.
Kwende
Kuna.
huko
Wow.
sasa.
Kwani
But
wewe si
now,
mtu mkubwa?
You just
Nyie
don't know
mkwende
how to
huko.
say
Lakini
no.
Lenny-
Mtu amekukujia usaidizi
Lakini
then sijui
Lenny-
umwambie aje sina hii.
Hiyo ni usaidizi, but
Sasa unajua kuna difference kati ya mtu amekuja anataka usaidizi and then kuna mtu anakuja anataka muwe katika ama usaidizi wake ni muwe katika uhusiano. Unamsaidia tu. Sure.
Ama kile anajaribu
But-
kumaanisha ni yule mwenye anahitaji ya shoulder to lean on wakati ako trouble.
Exactly, that's
Hatujakataa
what
na
I'm saying.
shoulder to lean on. But sasa ai
Unaona sasa hiyo shoulder
inaenda
ikipoa
ikiendanga.
ikigraduate.
chest
Now ai,
and
to the
so
heart, to the heart.
so on,
Inaenda
and
ikipermeate
on and
through.
so forth.
Now, guys, there's two things here that are cropping up from that discussion. Number one, pillars of working relationship. Pillars, what makes a relationship work? Now, be thinking about that. But before that, let me ask Jacinta. How would you, because nowadays we are seeing a lot of a lot of relationships, and most of these relationships have been fashioned and styled after the world and what the world is doing. So for you, how will you because we are godly people, right? I believe you're all born again. Nobody said that, by the way.
We are born again.
Personally, I am.
Thank you. I'm born again.
It's a
Yes.
Christian podcast. We believed goes without
Oh
saying.
yeah. You know. Now, what is a godly relationship for you? And what makes it different from what the world is doing?
Okay, a godly relationship ni as to where like you're making God the center of your relationship, because if you look at it, as we say that easy relationships zingine ziko based on worldly things, there are some things we are doing in a relationship yenye haifurahishi, you know, to involve some mnajua some things that are not pleasing.
I thought the conversation is unfiltered. Or it is not?
Okay, here it is. Most of the relationships zina survive huku nje. One is, most of them is just based on sex. You know. So that is not godly, because in the Bible, sex is something sacred. It involves married people. So if tuko kwa relationship alafu hiyo relationship hiyo sex iondolewe, relationship imeanguka. But a godly relationship ni having a partner mwenye anakuleta closer to God. You know, you're reading the Bible, going to church. Hadi kama like if you're not going to church, at least mko na session of to where like you're praying, you know, like God is the center of that. You're also communicating as to where you're supporting each other. So sile like nikiona ume succeed nasikia vibaya, you know, I support you in everything you do, and I am nitasema je cheerleader, you know. So for me is where that God is the center of everything.
Wow.
Yes.
Interesting. So, simply put, we'll call a godly relationship a relationship that is in the confines of God's word and God's way of life.
Yes, mnafuata mambo na vile God amepeana, because in as much as tunaangalianga we confuse as to where that mkifika ndo to marriage you have to start with friendship. There is courtship, right? So if friendship is when you'll know someone, are they like kwa hii njia ya Mungu, you know. Na tena hii ya godly pia, I guess we should have, sijui tuongelee hii relationship yenye.
Yeah. Just the next question I was to come to, by the way, as we are talking about
yes,
godly.
yes.
If I got you right. Yes. You are done?
Yeah.
All right. Now, the reason why we have to insist this is we are talking about relationships, courtship and marriage. Remember, we are talking about these things according to God's light. Yeah? So it's not just what the world is doing, because nowadays people are doing very strange things. Yes. So it's according to God's word, according to God's light. Now, talking of godly relationships, perhaps let me hear Liz and Joshua on this. I don't know who goes first. Ladies first? All right, okay.
Joshua
No.
amejitoa mapema.
We are coming back to you and not sparing you. Now, when we are talking about godly relationships, are there relationships that actually miss out on all other aspects and they're just over spiritualized? What would you have to say about godly relationships in that light?
For me, a godly relationship should be a relationship where God is glorified. Because the reason why human beings were created is to glorify God in whatever ways we are doing. So I want to believe that my relationship should be able to glorify God if it is not doing that, naomba nijiondoe.
Now, this one is glorifying God. Like, for example, now, there are no these dates za unapelekwa restaurants, mnaenda hike, or all these things. Mnapatanianga kanisani.
Sasa
That's
tukue
the-
tu prayer partners. What are we doing in a relationship?
No,
Si
right?
ukue tu accountability partner, tuombange tu church and that's
That's
it.
what I'm talking about. And then when you're perhaps in your moments of conversations and all that, all you're speaking about is Revelation and Daniel and Psalms. That's all you're speaking about, no other conversation.
That
Because
cannot
it's
work.
glorifying God. Our aim is to lift Jesus only.
That one cannot work for me.
Okay, for you,
For me, it can't
or
work that way.
now generalizing it,
I
because
want
there's
to
some
believe-
people out there who are doing that. They're claiming to be in a relationship, but that's what they are doing. So what would you say?
Make your relationships lively, bwana. That is why you people are there. Don't be a boring, couple. Explore.
Msibo.
Msibo
Msibo.
kwa relationship.
Vibes
Ndio maana
za
unapata
Lenny.
watu wengine wana vibe na mabesti wao. Because you are a boring man. Or lady, Don't be boring. If you're a man, take your lady out, coffee dates.
Bill nusu nusu pia.
Go for picnics.
Oh, and we'll talk about finances. Thank you for that.
Thank you,
Uh-huh.
Dennis.
Thank you.
Go
Uh-huh.
for picnics, Yani, make things that are building your relationships. Yeah.
Wow. Joshua, what do you think?
Hii historia godly relationship. Okay. Ukiconsider during the tuseme ma 800 AD, something like that, wakati colonization ndio ilikuwa inafanyika, ulikuwa unaona certain countries like England, wakati before waolewe, wakilai in bed, kuna sword ilikuwa inawekwa hapo katikati, so huyu analala hii side, huyu mwingine analala hii side nyingine, nothing will happen that night. So unakuta, but in these current days, sex is the basis. Umekutana, first date, second date, third date, ndio hiyo mshapelekana, but it's something that should be, just as we are told in the Bible that our bodies are the temple of the Holy Spirit. We should maintain our purity. Tujieke tukiwa safi, ndio in case kama Mungu ameamua wewe ni wewe unakaa peke yako hadi mwisho wa dahari,
Lenny.
tutaenda na wewe hivyo. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. And I think we'll just emphasize it to you, our listeners. Just as they are saying, sex is sacred. Nowadays, it has been cheapened so much that it is just a
Kitu ya
means
kawaida.
of trade. It has been cheapened so much. But God's idea of sex is very sacred. Very sacred. And it should be guarded with everything you have. And then it should be only in the confines of marriage with your married partner. Okay? That's something that you should consider. For you who is even perhaps quote unquote born again and you're still sleeping around, please stop and value that thing. It's precious. It's a gift that you have been given by God. And now cheapen, you see, any gift that is cheapened lacks its value, right? Any gift that is cheapened lacks its value. It's I think it's time that as a generation we get back to that place of valuing this thing and valuing our bodies, valuing purity at all costs. Now, I had mentioned on there's a question I had told you guys to think about.
Ui, ilipotea.
Ishaenda
Ilikuwa finance.
for all of us.
Ya
No,
finance
kuna
ndio
finances.
mwisho.
Finances iko bado, tunakuja kwa finances. The other one, pillars of a working relationship.
I'd like to go fast on that.
Thank you for volunteering yourself on that.
Yeah.
Now, question is, what makes a relationship work out?
What I'd say, communication is the key. Because we cannot say we're in a relationship yet kuna kitu ulinifanyia inaniuma, sikuambii, utaendelea kuifanya, mi nashindwa kukuambia, alafu mwishowe senye maybe kuna kashida fulani kametokea, tumekosana, hiyo ndo unajua kuitoa, yani like
Ndo maana.
ndo maana ulifanyanga hivi, ndo maana, you know, that one will even create kanini kwa huo msee, yani hivi ndo unaniona, like questions mingi zitarun kwa mind ya huo msee, you know, and mkishaanza hivyo, when you start questioning each other, when you start doubting each other, that relationship won't go anywhere. So what I'd say, communication is the key. Yeah.
And if I'm hearing you correctly, there is a very distinct difference between talking and communicating.
That's true.
You might be talking, but you're not communicating.
Yeah.
Now, on that, you guys have done, have gone through the 5 love languages by Gary Chapman.
Who's Gary Chapman?
No, but I've had several people have spoken about that. Niloisikia pia ni kama Miles Monroe ameongea kuhusu such a thing. But there is a way of communicating love, and there is a way different people understand love differently. As we're just talking about communication. Like, for example, there is a person who will understand love by gifts. If you gift them, they feel loved.
Yeah.
But there is another person who will understand love by words of affirmation.
Yeah.
So you might bring them 1,000,001 gifts, but they still don't feel love because you're not affirming them by your words.
Yeah.
You've
I know
Yeah.
but I've not heard of that.
those love languages.
But I know those love
No,
languages.
educators.
Mm-hmm.
Educators. Not that you're in a relationship with this amazing
Yeah,
educators.
an amazing person.
What love languages are there, and how are they expressed?
Just the way you've begun by saying, number one, love language is words of affirmation. There are some people, when you keep on reminding them how much you love them, how beautiful they are, they will feel loved and reciprocate back because you have communicated language yenye wanaelewa. And number two, we have quality time. There is a person mwenye ukispend quality time na yeye hapo umemgusa. Number three, we have these words of affirmation, quality time. We have gifts. We've talked about it. Kuna mtu kama Lenny ukimletea New Balance ana feel ako fit, like you've communicated his love language.
You've had
You know?
balance.
Take notes.
The other one is service. How do we
Acts
say
of
that?
service.
Acts of service. Kuna yule mwenye anataka umfungulie mlango, you know, umfunge kiatu, umtengeneze necklace ama earrings.
Leni hapo amekutoa nje. Huwezi fanya hivyo.
Kari sana.
You know, kuna mwenye ukifanya hivyo ana feel you have communicated my language. Na pia the last one is physical touch. Kuna wale wanapenda mkitembea you hold their hands, you know. You hold
The
their
main-
hands.
Our producer is also
Our
in that
producer
mix.
is lifting his hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kuna mwenye mkitembea ukimshika mkono ana
You mean
feel
I did?
you've loved me. And they reciprocate back. So it's just a matter of understanding the love language of your partner.
All right.
Yeah.
I hope you guys have learned something.
Zangu ni zote.
Zote? No, but
Tuna ile
but I
toka-
think there's usually a certain exercise you can do that helps you to determine which is your love language. Because again, you see, we are multilingual, right?
Yeah.
So they like, for example, I'm an English-speaking person. I speak Swahili as well. I speak Kikuyu as well. But now, if you communicate to me and expect me to communicate to you in Kikuyu, I hear it and I try to speak it, but tutatupana mahali. But you communicate to me in Swahili and in English, tutasikilizana. It's the same case with the love languages. There is that which speaks deeply into your heart, because all of them speak into your heart in a way. But like for me, words of affirmation and quality time
Same,
are my
same.
primarily love language.
Per what? Per play? we've had yeah.
Lenny,
Wewe
Okay,
ndio
sorry.
umesikia.
umesikia nini?
Nashangaa.
Sorry guys. I know I had wrong.
Lenny uko out.
Yes. So those of us in a relationship, it's something you'll consider doing. Get that book by Gary Chapman, The 5 Love Languages. Study the love languages, and then also do that test. Get to know, because sometimes people find themselves in trouble when they speak their love language to their partner. Perhaps the love language of your partner is gifts, or rather physical touch, but your love language is gifts. Now, because you appreciate gifts so much, you give gifts to your partner. They'll not feel loved. They'll appreciate the gifts, but they'll not feel loved,
Yeah.
because you are not communicating their language.
Yeah.
So understand your language, communicate it to your person, and then also understand their language
Yeah.
and communicate it to them.
Yeah, Dennis.
Yes,
That's
please.
why I would like to add.
Mhm.
That's the importance of a talking stage.
Talking stage ikwe serious.
Talking stage, yeah, kukuwe na talking stage.
Na
Si
kama
ati
inaenda
tunaingia
3
bra.
days.
Si utashtua mtu
Kama inaenda
akuache
3
bwana na
days.
uko tu kwa talking stage.
Talking
Ukianza
stage.
kufungua moyo bana, si mtu atakuacha.
Yeah, Dennis, we
But-
need
but-
to
but
talk
one
about
thing,
talking stage,
Eh,
actually.
but one thing I've learned about the progressiveness of that journey towards relationship, everything comes in at some point in time in the relationship as you guys progress. There are things we'll talk on the first date
Yeah.
and the second date, but there are things I'll get to ask on the 18th date, because hapa mali tunajuana kuna kitu yenye ni bado.
Ya Joshua ifiki 18. Amesema
Kwani hata Lenny ameshangaa 18 kweli. Kwani tumeoana.
But mkianzia dates kwani mnaacha? Kwani you're doing 4
You-
dates and then
Dennis,
mnaenda next
you
level.
know most kwenye tunakosea
Uh-huh.
tunasahau commitment. Hapo ndio
Oh,
hatujui.
yeah.
There is commitment.
And now I think that gets us to the second pillar of
Yes.
a working relationship.
Yes, commitment ni
commitment.
kitu ya maana sana.
Uh-huh.
Because honestly, we have like both have interest to each other. And then how, like tuseme mimi peke yangu ndo niko committed, my partner is not yet committed. Si ndio? So kumaanisha mimi peke yangu ndo niko hapa. Cause nitakuwa bana nimeachia relationship. Niko like na communicate some things and then ako like hizo ni nini unaniambia? Has it make sense? You know, he does not like take things seriously. Haya namwambia we do this and like he could like sina time, niko busy. You know, commitment. Mmeamua hakuna mtu amewaforce kukuja in together. Nyinyi ndio mmeamua niko na interest in you, you have interest in me. If we decide to go on dates, please agree. It is this day, this time tutapatana. You know. Pia sikiza your partner. See, the part of communication, there is talking and there is communicating. Kuna some words we miss out where uko like huyu anaongea tu, ameishi tu kucomplain. But it's the same issue, like anaendelea tu na the same issue each and every time anasema the same issue, you know. So manze, ukiamua kuingia mahali jitume, na kama huna interest sema ishe.
Joe.
Sisi wote ni watu wakubwa.
Sema ikutoke.
Bana.
because
Asira.
I think one of the things that is ailing many relationships is that place of commitment.
Yes.
When commitment lacks, the
Nothing
relationship
happens.
is as good as dead. You have to be committed daily.
Na ni
Like for
both of
example,
you.
even when we are talking about
It's both
of you, it
not
has to
just
be
one.
mutual.
Yes, yes.
When it's one person sending themselves in the relationship,
hapo hakuna.
it's
Uko peke yako tu.
you are alone.
Yes.
Very alone on that. So the second pillar we are talking about is communication, commitment. Exactly. Joshua, one pillar that you'll give us?
Can I
I
give
thought
one
nilisema
for
niko
Joshua,
single.
please?
All right.
Ni nini hiyo unaweza tafuta?
Trust. A
Yes.
relationship cannot work when
Very
you don't
much.
trust in me.
Because utakuwa ukifanya vitu uko like hauni trust.
Kila time anakudoubt.
Akona
Anashinda akikuuliza kweni uko na
Trust
kina
issues.
nani, akona trust issues.
ukiona
Yo,
mtu
me,
na
for
mtu
me,
uko
it can't
like
work like that.
huyo hapana.
Ati akiniona hapa natembea na Lenny kidogo kidogo ako like Lenny ni nani kwako? Yo.
It's all about trusting.
Yes.
So now we have three:
Mm.
communication, commitment,
Trust.
trust.
And
trust is very, very, very important.
yeah,
It's the
man.
basis, actually.
Mm.
It's the basis. You're saying something? You're saying something?
The last one I would say for me is friendship. There are times
Okay.
when you're dating, mtakwa sana, hampatani at the power of where you're loving each other. You have to like kukuja as friends. You communicate as friends. Because hapo as friends kuna a way we speak, so tutasikizana. But nikikuja as if we are like tuko hapo tu see we are dating. So mi nimekuja na hasira zangu, hutaki kusikia, you know. Lazima tu nini ndo tu talking stage ilianza na ndio hiyo relationship ianze ilianza na friendship. So friendship is also a strong pillar because sometimes you have to come to your partner as a friend. Ita work out as a friend, mtasort issues as a friends.
Yeah.
Leni unataka kusema nini?
I want to add on your point actually. I'm
Oh.
touched by what you're saying actually. Actually, I want to add on, you need to find a mature person. Because that point on friendship has touched me. Because maturity. How well a person handles a situation. Yeah. The same point you've put on, ati tuko na shida alafu vile unaileta ni kama hadi mtu hawezi sema tuna date. Yeah? Unaleta kifua. Yeah. So like you need to find a mature person for you. Joe, how do you feel?
For you to get a mature person, you have to be mature yourself.
Yeah.
For you to get a mature person, you have to be mature yourself.
But
Si ati mimi nakamna upole, wewe unakamna kifua, mse tutapelekana.
opposite poles.
Lazima nyinyi wote mkuje chini.
Opposite poles attract. Like
Uh-huh.
poles repel.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if we come both of us sometimes mature, bado kiburi itaingia tu.
Nilikuwa naona nini fulani ati in a relationship there is fire and there is gasoline,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
no, there is fire and there is water.
Water.
But sasa for me I'm gasoline. Mimi nalipua. Ukikuja kama moto.
Si ndio?
Mbona nikuje pole pole na mimi nitakuwa hiyo maji. Lakini ukinikuja as a fire, trust me, nakuja kama gasoline. Zilipuke.
To add on that, I think being in a relationship, love is not enough.
It is not.
Because there are times you will wake up and you feel like you don't love your partner.
That's true.
Kuna mahali point itafika unafeel amekufika kwenye core. Now if you're dependent on love, hiyo relationship
Ndio
haitawa.
friendship
Hapo
inaingilia.
sasa ndio friendship
Yes,
inaingililia.
yes,
You have
yes.
to get someone who is your friend, someone you can talk to, someone you can lean on, you know. Yeah.
Joke with, you know.
Joke
joke.
with.
Frankly,
It's very important.
very
Makes
true.
you happy.
Yeah.
Very true.
But then
Mna
kuna-
roastiana si ati yako
Na-
serious all the time.
na take it to heart. you know.
Exactly.
Yes.
Kulia mbaya. Si ndio?
Wow.
That's why
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, there's one minister of the word I had teach on this topic on relationships, and alikuwa nasema, just I'm agreeing with your points. The love is quite diverse, especially in the Greek language. We have agape, the love of God. We have phileo, brotherly love. We have storge. I think storge is family love. And then we have eros, which is romantic love. Now, if you build your relationship on eros peke yake, romantic love, it is doomed to fail. Because there are times you'll not feel like you... Exactly. Now, there's also that place now, kuna storge. Kuna storge is it's family love. Now, especially when you get married, this person becomes your family, your nuclear family. And then again, kuna phileo. Phileo, it's brotherly love. Now, if you guys are not friends, kuna place mta disconnect. Kwa sababu hamtashindanga romance kila wakati. When there is a crisis in any of your lives, hamtashinda pale, romance haitawa sustain. And then you're saying kuna again another one that is key, agape, which is the unconditional love, the God kind of love. Now, the reason why that also is very important in a relationship is because there are times you're feeling like this is your enemy, kwa sababu kuna times mmekosana ile mpaka
ile hadi amuongei, hadi friendship haiwa.
no, but you still remember this person is your brother in Christ.
Yeah.
You know, you still remember that this is your brother in Christ. And then again, you see when ukiwa kwa agape, ukiwa kwa phileo,
Hey, director.
hey, director. Hey, hey.
Anafaa
Yes.
kuwa hapa. Akona
Aki ukweli. Unaona ukiwa kwa phileo, you have a choice. Ukiwa kwa stoge, you don't have much choice because you don't choose your family. Sindio, you have to love them. Ukiwa kwa romantic love, eros, you have a choice, you can choose. But agape is a commandment from God. We have been commanded to love. So even when you don't feel like this is your friend, amekufika hapo unasikia and then even when you're feeling like romance is not working now, akikuita the mkio kwa the lavidavis and all that, it's not working, you remember that love again is a commandment, agape. And so at every stage of the relationship, mnaweza ku come together, because now there is something bridging the gap at every point. Now, finances in relationships.
Yes.
hapo
Eh,
sana.
finances in
To be
relation
talked
Hapo
about.
in
sana.
relationships.
Hapo umeguza
Especially
Lenny.
kuna point
Joshua
Lenny
hapa.
kuna point Lenny alisema.
Yeah.
And I want to hear a take of a lady and a gent on the same. Kuna point Lenny alisema mkienda dates, bill half.
Okay, not a must have, but
Okay, ebu sema point yako.
my point is tukienda date, I know you're in your mind hadi unajua, and it's something automatic that the man is supposed to pay, isn't it? Because ni
He's
yeye
the
ndo
provider.
anakupeleka date.
We are the
Yeah.
provider.
And in fact you're the provider, but we are on a bad economy guys.
Pesa
And
ukosa.
siwezi kuwa niko high kila saa. We always on highs and lows, isn't it?
Yes.
So the fact that tumeshaongelea mambo ya maturity, unanielewa, na kuna ile look utaona nimepiga nikienda kulipa, unafaa kuwa observant. By the you are my partner,
Yeah,
unafaa
true.
kuwa observant the way I've been going on the past few days. So hapo hadi wewe unajitolea tu kidogo babe.
Hapo napo nitaagree.
Acha yeah. Okay, huitoi like boldly. Unaisema hadi kama ni jokes. Si ucheki hapo kwa simu yako. Angalia kuna nini.
Nimekusort hivyo.
Angalia. Hapo siwezi pata hadi ile courage ya kurudisha. Because unaweza nipa hivi pesa, mimi nikata sasa aje.
Ukatae.
Nitakataa. Ndio. But unani surprise. Bana hapo hadi mimi nitafeel yenyewe I found the one. I finally found the one.
Kabisa.
It's all about having supportive partners.
Yeah.
Hiyo ya 50-50. Okay, for me naweza agree because kuna time tu huyu ako juu, huyu ako chini. Kuna time labda the lady atakuwa juu, the gent ako chini in a relationship, so ni supporting. Akiwa juu teme ana provide because pia ina matter. Hakuna vile utakuwa juu Lenny,
Yeah.
and then sasa bado utaki.
That's
I mean window provider.
Yeah.
But nitakusaidia,
No.
you know. Nikiona uko chini, nita chip in. Nitasaidia in everything. So 50-50 siwezi kataa. Kuna time pia nitakuwa 80-20, 60-40, you know. It's all about supporting each other. Unaelewa? Kuna time business ziko chini.
Sana.
Na hapo hivyo sasa pia ndio most relationships zinaishia. Because for us ladies tumeka that mwanaume lazima akuwe na pesa. Okay, si must, but kuwa na pesa zako as a man, kuna kale kakiburi uko nako. But pia as ladies, tuache kuweka that mindset that mwanaume ndo anafaa kuprovide 100%. It is not that. You have to support your partner. Ukiona ako chini, chip in kidogo. Maybe you like married hivyo, uko like we utoi vitu za nyumba. Tunasemanga ya mzee ni ya wote, ya the lady ni yangu peke yangu. But okay, kuna time haikui hivyo. Pia like it matters when you have someone pia mwenye anakusupport. Akiwa nazo si mgumu kutoa. You know, pia mimi nitaona uko chini, nitakusupport. But kuna ile hadi ukiwa nazo we ni mgumu, mi sitakusupport. Siwezi. Mbona? Si uko nazo.
Ala.
Eh.
So hadi watoto kama wanataka kufa njaa.
Endeni
mbona
mwambie
nitoe?
baba yenu. Na saa hizo
Alafu mnaosha vyombo.
No.
Yeah.
it's all about being supportive. Yes, muagree. Kuna time niko chini nitakusaidia, chip in this. Kuna time hizo dates maybe nataka twende on dates, huyuko poa kimfuko, nitakwambia twende, I'll do everything, you know. Ama tunaenda hiyo date, we decided not to use public transport, we are using cabs. Uko like wacha nilipe cab and then ama nitalipa food. Hivyo it's all about agreeing. Ndio nasema friendship, maturity and being supportive to one another.
Wow,
Yes.
interesting. Now, Liz, can a lady take his guy out on a date,
Definitely.
Yes.
like,
all
and
the
pay for everything?
Yes.
Definitely.
All right.
Agree with her.
Ladies, are you hearing?
Please do.
Yes.
Hapo si
Tell them, tell them.
Joshua ashikanishi.
Ati,
Hapo
you're not.
nilikuwa umechange topic. So itakuwa ni the lady is marrying the man.
Ah, well,
Ah,
No,
no.
no, no,
Wewe.
no,
Ati
no.
ni kila wakati.
No.
Okay, let's hear.
Kila wakati. Sasa, kama Liz says, hapo sasa ndio kuna watu wanaingisha masculinity. Ati iwezi happen. Hiyo ni toxic. Exactly. Because I mean, nakuspoil. Si hadi wewe ukiwa nayo unanispoil. Acha
treat you as a baby
nikuspoil.
girl. Si hadi siku moja mimi nikuwe baby
Baby
boy.
boy.
Hii
Imagine
inajenga
it is not
leni
bad.
sana. Hii inajenga leni sana.
Imagine it is valid. It
Uh-huh.
is valid.
Very
Unaweza tu
valid.
decide. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Back to Liz.
Uh-huh.
Yes, ladies can take their gents out once in a while. Si ati ni kila wakati azoe.
Yes, isikuwe mazoea
They should.
tafadhali.
Hai.
Ama they can. Unajua tena si
Kuwa na pesa ni
kulazimishwa.
spoil. Kuwa na pesa ni spoil.
Si kulazimishwa. But then kama on special occasions kama birthday yake, take him out, spoil him like the baby boy he is.
Yes.
You
yes.
know?
Bana, hadi I will feel
Siku ya anniversary, unajua most
Hapo
ladies
unapendwa,
expect siku za anniversary au ndio wanaletewa. Once in a
Oh,
while
yeah.
surprise that
Yeah,
child
yeah.
bwana.
Exactly.
Pia yeye ni mtoto wa watu.
Pia yeye anahitaji affection.
itanipe motisha ya kutafuta pesa even more
Na
bana.
kuprovide more
I
love.
will
Exactly.
provide more.
Now, you see, I think when you're talking about love,
Yeah.
we are talking, and relationships, you're talking about supporting each other.
Yeah.
And that's one way of
Another
supporting
pillar.
each other. Because I think men tunakwanga na that need to be the man and to provide and to, you know, to be on top of the game.
Point
We
of
usually-
correction, Dennis.
Yes.
Siku hizi wanaume wamekuwa exchange roles these
Sana.
days. Siku hizi
Na-
wanaume ndio wasichana, wasichana ndio
Na-
the gents.
Wa wapi?
Na
It's
kuna
true.
wanaume wanawekwa, by the way.
Kuna wanaume
Kuna
mtu
wanaume
anataka kuwa
wanawekwa.
baby girl.
Lakini
Akikuwekwa
Anakuwa
ile
princess. Mwanaume
lady
hawezi
ndio
jituma
anaenda kufanya kazi. Lady ndio analipa nyumba, anafanya kila kitu.
si ni mtu
Jamaa
amejitolea.
akon
Si ni yeye amejitolea kufanya hivyo.
Lenny.
Ukioffer
Hakuna
rules
cha
haigizi
kujitolea.
ukatae kwa nini?
Ah,
I'm a man. I'm a man. In fact, not for me. I'm
Wewe
not
sikuoni
speaking.
vizuri
as-
wewe.
Please, producer, director, you will come over here at my seat now. So let us continue, guys.
Lenny, Dennis,
Yes.
nilikuwa, but it's true, to exchange roles. Pia si mambo na providing, mambo na maturity. Siku hizi wanaume
It's funny.
Wow.
unakuwa personal.
Wow.
No,
Gojea,
No,
are you speaking
true.
out of experience?
ni vile huku nje kuko Dennis. I have dealt with people. Mwanaume hapa juu upstairs. Hakuna. Sasa mimi ndio kila kitu. Like, tafadhali, even as we are looking for people, as ladies, tafuta mwanaume ako na hapa matters.
Exactly.
Even to the men,
Let me give you an
Lenny,
instance.
pia
Look
tafuta mtu
for
ako na
ladies
hapa.
wako na.
Yeah, that's
But
true.
to make exchange roles honestly these days, ladies ndo wako matured, mtu at least ako na ile vision ya kusonga mbele, saying like hivyo. Wanaume wako tu, mtu anataka kuwa princess, sawa kababa.
Si ati hivyo. But let me give you an instance. Just a 1 minute instance. You've gone out there. You've you are from a rich background, a rich family, sindio? You went and you fell in love. See movie by that. It's reality
It
because
happens.
there's a sort kind of movie. You went and fell in love with someone mwenye poverty ndo wanakulanga kama chakula kwao, ndio.
Okay.
Sasa in that case, okay, jamaa si atafanya haki yote ndo ajaribu kukuplease, si ndio? Ndo usimuone vibaya.
Ndio ni understand. The lady ndo ako rich.
Yeah, the lady ndo ako rich, the man ndo ako poor. In that circumstance, wewe hadi wewe mwenyewe ukimtreat kama princess in that situation,
Lenny,
haitaonekana
it's
vibaya.
the little things that matter.
It's the little things
It's
that
the little things
But-
that matter. As long as words of affirmation ziko hapo,
Yeah.
as long as there is time,
Yeah.
as long as kuna ile assurance, as ladies tunataka kuwa na that assurance each and every time.
Na tuone
You know?
effort.
Na tuone
We
effort.
see your effort.
Yeah,
Hiyo
si nimemention
ingine
effort.
itakuja baadaye. But
So-
as long as it's the little things you're doing, then I am good with it. Mambo na pesa, sawa, nitaprovide.
Okay.
Si
na-
lazima ati tuone
But tena usione niko na pesa ukuje ukwe chini,
Urelax.
urelax, useme awe akana pesa.
Sasa nakaa wewe ni ule mwenye love language yako ni gifts, na yeye sasa unaona venye yako
Mimi
Thank
aje
you, my brother.
niletee,
Thank you.
aende apate some ka cheap necklace ya 30 bob aniletee. It is the effort. It is the effort Lenny.
then you
But
go
Wait,
back
wait,
to your
let me say
Anajituma. No.
go back to your people wanakuona like okay umezoea zile quality things, high quality vitu, but sasa imekuja hapa hivi kitu ina scratch hiyo inaonekana
Love is between two people.
people.
It's not a
Not
community.
Kirende.
That is when
Now,
maturity comes
you
in.
see, one of the things that you should again understand about the love languages, especially gifts, it's not in the amount of money you have spent
Yes.
on the gift,
Yes.
but it's in the intentionality. You're
Mm.
getting a gift for them, so you don't have to like have 20, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Unajua siku hizi tunakuwa influenced na celebrities. That's unaweza enda, you even get just something small
Yes. Yes.
and just gift them.
Eh,
That
earrings
will
za
work.
chwani.
Niletea
Exactly.
hadi rose
Kama level
umechuna
yako.
pale kwa bush.
Exactly. It will.
At least uko na
Romanticize your
guys,
life.
Wow.
Msiseme hivyo alafu nipelekeane achwani alafu
sasa
msiniache.
you have to know
Sasa
the person
amiba
you're
sahi.
dealing
Unaona?
with.
Again,
mature
now
person.
majama,
Yeah.
this one is for you guys, because now as we are talking about these things, unaona kuna story na pesa, kupelekana dates, gifts, and all these things. Now let me ask you, what do you think about materialistic ladies? Mwenye utampelekea hizo earrings za 30, that's what you'll have afforded at that time, and you're doing it with the whole of your heart because you love them. Then they're like, earrings za 50.
oh you mean
You cannot do better.
Yes, gold diggers.
You cannot do better. What do you think? Can you work with such a lady? Ama, that's the end of it. Red flag.
we can't work with such.
Uh-huh.
How did she even end up loving me in the first case? And she knew how my situation was.
Alikuwa naona kama uko na pesa at first.
Ulikuwa na luku ukamchanganya.
Kamchanganya.
Day one. So day
And-
one tusiende vizuri.
Again, ladies don't settle for less.
Exactly. Very true. Now, let me ask this one question and then we get to the last point. I think we'll put a pause there.
Yeah.
And then if our director and the managing crew allows us, allow us, we will have another discussion on this.
Part two.
Siko sawa? Part 2. Ashakubali. Thank you so much, director.
Na yeye ndio
Now-
atakuwa next hapa. Yes. Next time ni director.
Direct akwe lakini tunasikia nini? So, hii swali ya mwisho tutasikia kila mtu mwenye ako kwa crew.
Yes.
Including camera
Waniki.
1, camera 2, director.
Yes.
Yes, and I think that will work well. Niko nataka kusema nini? Sasa unaona mmeniambia maneno mingi.
Something still on materialistic.
We were talking about materialistic. No. Kenye nilikuwa nataka kusema imeenda. Kenye nilikuwa nataka kuuliza imeenda.
It was the last question. Ami ilikuwa kuhusu nini?
It's okay, we can
Oh,
go
you
to the
were-
last one.
What was I? Yes, bring it.
No. Sijui kama ni hiyo.
Sema hiyo.
I guess ni hiyo yenye uniuliza if they can like date nini materialistic person.
Materialistic
Then
lady.
he said
Don't settle for less. Akambia
yes,
ladies,
yes,
don't settle
yes.
for less.
Sasa sijui ulikuwa
Interesting.
useme nini.
Interesting. Hiyo imepotea.
Ni
tuiname
sawa.
tuipite.
Next time. Try again next time.
Ikikuja katikati
Yo.
utaiuliza.
Ikikuja katikati nitaiuliza. Exactly. Now very briefly for each and every one of us as we close. Now mention one red flag and one green flag as you're looking for a partner and in your partner as well. What do you see as a red flag? What do you see as a green flag?
Hey,
And-
that I can go first, by the way.
All right, okay.
You see where you said like all words of nini naitwa nini languages za love, physical touch, words of affirmation, quality time, all that. Hizo zangu ni like the green flag in a person. Alafu sasa kama hauna hizo, hiyo ndio red flag. Because why not? Okay, si zote, but kuna zile zenye
But at least you're
yes,
communicating.
yes. Kuna zile tu nitaangalia niko like au so hizo ndo red flags zangu. If you're not displaying the 5 languages of love, then I don't think
Kidogo,
tutaweza
haiwezi
work. 'Cause I mean huwezi kosa one as a person. You can't lack or two. We have feelings. We are human beings. So hiyo moja ama mbili huwezi kosa. But sasa kuna ile tu ko nonchalant. You're not doing anything. Uko tu. Haiwezi.
Haiwezi.
Yes.
Josh, what do you think? For you, green flag, red flag, one each.
Pale kwa gold digger.
Main
Materialistic
points.
ladies.
Na hiyo ati set of for less.
Okay.
Tawaramba tu.
No, it's not Liz.
Tawaramba.
Mwenye
Ngoja
ana-
ya just add some.
angalia tu mwenye una directia.
Unajua less inaweza kuwa less maybe yako si less yangu. Wewe ukinywa nafikiria nini ni less kwangu iko sawa. Unaona? So it all matters with the person. Kwa
It's
sababu-
not about money
It's
issues.
not about-
It's not all about
I
money.
get that. I mean, diverse aspects, not only money.
Yes.
Yeah. So, as in, unaweza get love ni ya two-way traffic, right?
Yes, true.
Unapata love being a two-way traffic, you are the only one who is responding. So it's as if wewe ndio tu uko venye Jacinta alisema.
Sasa hata
Solo.
wewe don't settle for less. Kama hiyo haikubambi pass. Go for something that you
umesonga.
can work with.
Then hapo ndio unafanyangwa revenge. Unakuta unafanyiwa kikitu.
Communication. Mwambie aje. By the way, mi nimetry in as much, nimetry hadi nimeenda extra, nimego extra, ni try nione kama tutapatana halfway, but mi ndo nimeenda like quarter of 3/4 of the way, wewe hukuji. So kuna vile mimi na drain. So wacha tu ifike mwisho. It's
Well,
all
thank
about
you.
communication.
A green flag.
Then it was a love language.
They know how to
More so
communicate. Also.
words of affection.
Words
Yeah.
of affirmation. Wow. So that is already that can tell.
Yeah.
I can tell that's your love language.
Yeah,
Not
taking
mine.
notes. For
No.
Whomever
example,
I'm
it's you,
supposed to
for example, it's you.
whomever I'm going to mingle with. Yeah.
Okay. Now, yes, Liz.
For me, red flag ni a person who's gaslighting. Mtu ushaichapwa na mtu and then anasema you're the reason why nimekuchapa. That is gaslighting. That one is a red flag
Manipulator.
for me. And also someone who's rude. Why are you rude as a human being? Don't be rude. Green flag, kindness. I love kindness. Please be a kind person. And also trust is a green flag for me. You should be able to trust me.
Si kila saa maswali.
Lenny, Daktari.
Thank you for this opportunity. Actually, I'm humbled. I have been waiting for this chance. Actually,
Ulikuwa umegoja.
I can even base it on the last time's topic of trauma because it traumatizes someone.
Yes.
Red flag. Someone who is judgy. Someone who always judges you. anakukumbusha maybe something. Let me tell you of my situation, guys.
See, I thought
Please,
you
go
complicated.
ahead.
Not that situation of
Okay.
complications.
And now as he's telling us of the situation, crew yetu camera, which camera is motionable?
Camera 1.
Camera 1.
The one with Mwaneki.
Mwaneki chukua
Ile ya
camera 1.
Mwaneki.
Sasa Mwaneki,
Chukua
enda kwa
camera
camera 1, uende utaenda kwa
director.
alafu tutampea one of these microphones atuambie yake, alafu tusikie
Camera 1 woman.
camera 1 woman
Producer hakuna kutoa stu.
na
Mwaneki
camera
pia.
woman, alafu na Mwane. Hapana, hakuna.
Tushaisema.
Hiyo lazima ikue. Mafans, that's it.
Yes.
Lazima msikie hiyo.
Hakuna-
Yes.
Ni
No.
sawa. Iende hadi 2
Aya,
hours.
Lenny, make it brief.
Yeah, I want to make it brief. I said someone who is always judged. No. Something really traumatizes me, apart from the fact that I told you guys watu wananiita joker. Yeah. Ndio tuko kwa relationship, tuna make joke, alafu una make joke ikue serious. Ati, I have been told this so many times. Sijakataa my height, Dennis.
Nakubali.
Usinicheke.
Red flag.
Sijakataa my
Lakini
height.
mbona mtu akwambia anaweza kulamba kichwa?
Hiyo si topic ya kumention.
Lakini mbona mtu akwambia
Hiyo ni trauma. Mkute.
Okay.
yes.
I'm already
Take heart.
But it's okay. But why would you have always to remind me? Lakini unakuanga mfupi. And it's like unanidate mfupiti, as I mentioned.
Tafuta mtu machua.
Like unanikumbusha kila saa that why are you judging me? Dennis, according to my height. Sisi ulitaka tuwe pamoja. Singeni utafuta mtu mwingine kwa mrefu, mbona kanisikia?
Love knows no height.
All right.
Wewe sijua mpango wa Mungu, labda kesho nitaamka niko mrefu.
Hiyo nayo
Uongo.
zi uongo
Uongo.
hiyo. Uongo hiyo.
Simnaona.
Hakuna.
Simnaona
Umesema tu unakubali.
Wekwa realistic bwana, jikubali.
Lazima na
Wewe jikubali.
Tukiongea kuhusu trauma, tulisema acceptance ndio first stage ya
Mungu
healing.
anashinda akikukumbusha kila saa.
Accept tu.
Accept kila saa.
Achana na huyo mtu.
Umeanguka mtihani leo, ukaanguka kesho, utaitikia always
Utaishi
utaishi kuanguka
huyo,
mtihani.
achana na yeye.
Hiyo
Mwambie
jitoe
ende
tu.
atafute mtu, atafute
mrefu.
msudi.
So
Ama
that is-
jitengeneze mtu wake
Aki,
mrefu.
exactly.
So now that is my red flag.
Mhm.
Someone who is always judged.
Mhm.
Ama hadi anaweza kujudge umesota.
Yeah. I
And
get
now
it.
my green,
Green
flag.
flag. Mhm.
Someone who appreciates you for every little thing ama everything that you're doing. Whether little whether big, anashinda akikuappreciate. Na venye tu mmesema mtu anashinda akikukumbusha. Ushaamka asubuhi ukapata mtu amekutext morning whatever, hizo vitu mnatextiana, alafu anaongeza hapo.
Acha kusema
Just
tuna.
very
Sema
complicated.
wewe.
You are the
Complicated.
best.
Complicated.
You are the best version
Wow.
of yourself.
Wow.
Anakukumbusha.
Hivyo ndivyo naambiangwa.
Itakupea motivation. Like I've seen my friends wanafanyiwa hivyo, you know.
Morning calls.
Wewe receive hadi
Anakukumbusha
moja.
kila saa, hadi anakupea
Bedhi
motivation.
unapigiangwa simu?
What?
Una-
Yes, who's next?
Cut.
Aya, now, now, guys, I want us to hear. I will ask for this microphone. You can use this one, and I'll ask for this one as well. Now, who is directing? Sasa nimesimama na muja change. Kuja na mimi alafu utakuja hapo. Tunakuja hapo.
Kwa kamera.
Enda kwa ile kamera. Enda kwa hiyo kamera tukuchukue ukiwa hapo. Ama nataka tumchukue akiwa hapa. Nataka kukuja hapo. So flow na mimi. Siko sawa? Thank you, ndio tuone crew yetu. Now, we have our director. Acha tuanzie na director. our very able director anaitwa Victor Ray.
Mruris.
Victor Mo. Victor, by the way, sasa tuambie, are you status, utuambie status kenye unafanya na favorite restaurant, alafu green flag na red flag very briefly.
My name is Victor. I'm currently a student at Kibit, Nairobi. So, as for my status, itakuwa pale I'd rather not say.
Hey, okay.
Si complicated.
Hiyo tutakuja tutachunguza hiyo.
Si kuchunguza.
Kwa hivyo unaona akisema I would rather not say ni yes. Si ni kweli? Hiyo ni
Basi,
yes.
Ni yes. Okay,
Yes.
ni yes.
Mbona mnaficha wapoa kama bangi?
Ni mamake ataona enda muulize, "Hey, dago twani na
Mzazi
dhukuru
anaona
vyo okay.
Uzuri tunaweza edit.
Atu edit hiyo.
Mimi ndo na edit.
Ni nani ana edit? Jacinta ndio ana edit. Yes, proceed.
Okay, what was this question?
Your favorite restaurant, alafu green flag na red flag.
Oh, my favorite enye nime visit last ilikuwa Dominion Castle.
Wow.
Hapa hivi along highway ya kwenda Nyahururu. So green flag na red flag. Tricky kidogo, but kwa red flag a person like a girl who is not saved, first of all, a great red flag.
Uongo.
Hiyo ni uongo.
Haya, okay. Enda sasa kwa yenyewe sasa.
Mbona mnasema uongo?
Yo! Testimony.
They are witnesses.
We are a testimony
They
to
are
your behavior.
witnesses, Vic.
Who are you? Najua ni kama siwajui. Okay. Red flag, another red flag. A person who is not composed in her own way.
No wonder nakwanga composed. I don't know if you guys agree. Very yeah, I see. I get you, sir.
Sielewi.
May God bless you. Wewe huwezi get. Wewe ukwangi composed.
Wow, that's one.
Okay.
Niongezeni tissue.
Okay.
And the green flag, first the 5 love languages. The other one, commitment.
Wow.
Na pia isikue that you can be with someone, yes, anakupea time, anakuonyesha the 5 love languages, but you can still see that she's not there, like in the other way, at ayuko, like her heart is not there, like anafanya like venye Lenye alikuwa amesema out of pity.
We Victor, jimuldie tu wako.
Yenye watu wamepitia mambo. I think siku moja tutakuwa tu na discussion ya group counseling. People have been loved by out of pity.
Tumepitia mengi.
I tell you.
Me,
Naachwa na
seen it
excuse fulani.
Oh, you have seen it. Or
Yes.
see experience.
by my friend.
Lenny, your friend Lenny.
See, of course.
Yeah.
You've experienced
Nimeiona,
okay.
sija experience mimi.
Okay,
Nimeiona through.
I think we can. You're done.
Kuna a question ulikuwa mention about finances. So my take on that was sio lazima ikuwe 50-50, but it can be in such a way that hata kama ni 40-60 ama 80-20, it can be in such a way that iko not one, but both of you feel supported and you get each other in the right way. Like, still, it's not a must ikue 50-50. Ama ikue 40 or 60. It is not a must. It is just a point that you meet and you agree, this is what that we can do, and this is what we are both comfortable with. Yes, that was my take on that.
Wow, interesting. So umesema uko na mtu. We go to Chare. Chare was our camera woman. Camera 2 ama 1? Ndio hiyo sasa mkuru mwenyewe.
Okay.
Wewe unajua
I'm
story
Charity
yake.
Maina. Okay. Kwa take on nitaanzia finances. Finances, I guess for me it can work on 50-50. Depending on the income and what mnapata and what you agree. Because hakuna venye nita pressure and yet it is not that okay. The other thing, green flag. Okay, I'll also see that someone who is kind, someone who can communicate. Red flag. Hey, don't be boss. You wanna boss me around? Am I your servant? No, so definitely not someone who is bossy.
All right.
Okay. Hiyo swali lingine ilikuwa
Are you single? Sema, danganya tusikie. Mkane saizi tusikie. Mkane
Okay.
tusikie.
You all know that hii link itafika. Okay.
Wacha tusafishe rada. Tushajua
Okay,
answer. Si mshajua answer. You can.
Okay, siwezi sema step by step.
Sasa
We
hiyo
are
ndio
there.
kusema ni we are there. Okay.
Lakini tujafika.
It's the we. It's the we.
We
Hapo ndio
is
key.
everything, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Which is your favorite restaurant?
Currently nothing,
Nothing.
but checking on being
Chef
a
Kuku.
plant operator.
Wow. Okay.
Plant mechanic.
Okay.
Okay, favorite restaurant. Ooh, what's that? But there is a spot yenye napenda sana ya nyama choma. Jimmy's.
Wow.
Jimmy's choma.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
that one.
Interesting. Interesting.
And
Aya.
I will also say, okay, kwa hiyo ya piti, okay, to be honest, I've done that.
Niko na mkurugenzi.
Whoa. You've done that
Okay.
too, sir?
Wafuasi.
So, you know, unajua unaona utamheartbreak ukimwambia no. So you will have you'll have just to say yes to boost his confidence, you know. Rather than no.
When you'll go to
Lakini
na-
hiyo hakuheartbreakiwa kama ile ya
So, all right. Thank you so much. Now we get back to this young man here.
Ako nafas.
Na hata ako na mic.
Ako nafas.
Shika mic tu. Tuambie. Koshiaro.
Yes, hii ni story
Yes,
yangu.
bring
Mimi
it.
naongea.
Sawa.
Iko live. Iko live. So swali liko gani?
Swali ni simple. Uko na mtu alafu unafanya nini saa hizi
So
na
hapo
favorite
kuna-
restaurant alafu green
hapo-
flag
hapo-
na red flag
hapo
moja
kwa mtu
moja.
hapo. Mama yangu ni mdeadly. Unajua mama yangu ni mdeadly.
I can testify to that.
Mama yangu anaweza fika. mama yangu
Aya,
anaweza fika
shika
hapa
shika
anytime.
utumie hii. Rudishia Liz mic yake.
Mama yangu anaweza fika hapa anytime. Anytime.
Don't
So-
worry. I
Ho
Hata
akona
pata hii.
slippers tu ishafika. So hapo kama niko single. Baada nasikia watu wengi wakisema sijui ati complicated. Complicated ni nini bwana?
What is
Nikisema
it?
by the way, what's complicated?
Eh,
Lenny.
Yes.
Yeah, I heard you said it's complicated.
Jibu swali yako achana mimi.
See, it is complicated.
Kwa kwake. She's there.
She's not there.
Oh, she's there.
She's not there.
So ungesema
Hey, top rise. I am not like Lenny.
Hey,
Lenny.
Game over.
Nimekataa.
Game
Nimekataa.
game over.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it is complicated.
Any out of all that
Okay.
talk.
It is
Kama una mtu
complicated.
useme.
Nimesikia tu mkisema complicated kama mara 3 hivi. Acha tu niseme tu it is complicated. It is complicated. So
Okay.
haya.
Hauna, hakuna.
Manze hapo kuna unaona zile madot tatu. Kuna dot tatu tunakuaga hapo.
Ellipsis.
Bas, the ellipsis. Sasa tuko hapo. Haya. Yes,
Love, love.
Favorite, what are you doing? Favorite restaurant?
kwa kukula. Si bora tukule. By that niulize. Kwani kwenye koko
Wewe jibu tu swali wachana na hiyo.
Restaurant ni kila mahali bwana, meet everywhere. Hakuna mambo ya kuchagua restaurant.
Hata kibandaski kiko tu sawa.
By the cinema cinema comedy. Bas kuna madhi, hadi kuna fadhi. Watu ni wengi. Unapenda bas, unapenda mgani? It is your decision to make.
All right. We hear you.
Restaurant bana.
Restaurant ni
Bana. Kwanza kuna ingine niko naona hapo. Unaweza kula je minji na fork. Unakula je minji na fork. Minji na fork. Hivi kamoja. Minji kamoja hivi na fork. Also ati mna. Hakuna kitu kayo. That's a lie. Hakuna kitu kayo. Ati restaurant. Natural. Ukifika kwa nyumba unakuwa kemoda, si ndio? Hakuna kitu kayo. Hakuna tiko atikijiko.
Akachukua fork.
Niona ndio hiyo hapo yote. You belong to us bwana. Hakuna mambo ya restaurant. Kuna mtu amesema inaitwaje hii restaurant fulani iko hapa. Classic inaitwaje? Sarova. Chakula ni 30k bana, umekeka kitu. Top price.
chop rice.
Alafu kuna Easter fulani. Kuna Easter fulani nasikia umeita dessert. You've never seen this. Okay. I am serious. Niko serious by that. Niko serious sasa. Ati dessert. Alafu nasikia ati dessert ni ya mwisho.
Na nafunguliwa na supu.
Na sasa umefungua tumbo na supu.
Hiyo ni gani hiyo? Hiyo ni gani? Sisi tunachanganya zote bana. Tunachanganya zote bana.
Dennis alituelimisha ati entree, starter, entree, dinner, dessert. Dessert.
Lakini sasa
Askenya.
Dinner na dessert. Ameongeza dinner is that whole thing.
Dinner ndo
Alafu sasa kuna entree ndio. Dinner ni that whole course.
okay.
That whole meal. Sasa iko na courses. Kuna starter, kuna entree na kuna dessert.
Dessert ndo ya mwisho.
Ndio ya mwisho. Now that's dinner for you.
But we understand.
So
Mwaneki, we understand you because sasa kama your favorite ni Jeff Kuku.
by that.
Hizo smoky zake.
Sasa tunaweza kosa kukume.
Unajua tunakula kila
And Mama Njogonas.
chapo zake zinakuaga tamu.
Yo.
By that.
That's love.
Alafu sasa ati sasa venye mnaweka waru kando. Mnaweka waru, supu, carrot, kila kitu hiyo dessert.
Kila kitu
hapo.
Na madhupu.
Mnakula zote pamoja.
Hakuna kuconfuse
Kuna
nini.
confuse zote pamoja.
Na hata zikienda kwa tumbo zitachanganyika tu bado.
Tutachanganyika, imagine.
What is the need
Mapema
of
ndo best.
Mapema
Anzia
ndo
mapema.
exactly? Twende kazi.
What comes in comes out, si ndio?
Guys.
Si ndio?
A win
Aya.
is
A win is
a
a
win.
win.
is a win.
As we conclude,
Ukikula starter na ukule hiyo.
guys,
Okay.
let's finish it
Aya.
now. Tumalize.
So hiyo ingine ilikuwa?
What do you do? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm a student.
Green flag, red flag, moja, briefly.
So hapo kwa wewe umeniangalia sana. So hapo kwa red flag kwanza. Bana maturity bana. You look at the maturity bana. Lakini
Is date mtoto.
so unaona kwa maturity by the girls tunapenda venye mnaactigi the girl issue childish. Sijui mnakoga na the childish news, ndio? Tunapenda lakini kuna extent fulani inafika. so kama mna get ile extent yani ume overdo the childish in you bana, hiyo si maturity. Hiyo ni too much, ndio.
Umesikia?
So
Just umesikia?
na bado hapo kwa naitwaje, nimesikia mtu akisema 50-50. Hakuna mambo ya 50-50. You're Amana. Amana kuna mambo ya 50. By the Amana anachukua, so hakuna kitu ya 50. Hiyo ni kitu yenye iko. Hiyo ni fact. Tuongee. Tuongee.
Unaishi kwa dunia yako ya fantasy.
Haki ni dunia ya fantasy. Okay, let me acha nikwambie kitu.
Ya kuwekwa.
That's a new conversation.
Let-
No.
Save this guy
Kwa
for part
kuwekwa.
I need to finish
We
my
cannot agree with
conversation.
this guy. By the way, let me tell
I need to
you, we
finish.
cannot agree with this guy.
Kenodia.
Let me tell you my name.
Kenodia.
Let me tell you my name.
Kenodia.
Ah, yeah.
Let me tell you my name.
No, as the
let me
host-
talk.
As
Kenodia,
the
let me
host,
talk. I need to.
As the host,
Why do you link my?
Tutamute
Why did you
mic.
interrupt? Why
Guys,
did you interrupt
tutamute
me?
mic.
Why interrupt me?
Point of
Mimi.
order.
I am the camera imemulikwa.
Point of
Kwa
order.
nini
Aya.
nikiongea mnaongea? Mimi nikiongea. So camera iko
Aya.
kwa, si ndio?
Okay. Malizia.
Okay. Hii mambo ya kuishi atiko fantasy. Hii dunia ni fact na reality, si ndio? Na God hakuna mambo ya fantasy. Wewe unaishi kwa fantasy.
Uko nayo
Wewe unataka
so.
unataka kutoa 50-50. Utaipata demo na toa 50-50. Fact I'll
Me, I
tell
can
you.
tell you mine.
Umedanganywa basi. Unachezwa.
Hauna.
Unachezwa. Not for marriage.
No wonder
Not
it's
for
complicated.
For pity. So
Si poa yo. Si poa. Lenny, today it's over for you.
na bado
So guys.
hadi kama si 50-50, hardworking, akuwa hardworking woman. Si ati anakaa kwa nyumba, si ndio? Kitu kaa hiyo.
Yeah. I think mtanikumbusha in our next mtanikumbusha in our next episode. Now, for you, would you want a stay-at-home lady or a working lady? Hiyo ni season 2. Now, we put a comma there. We will take it on in our next episode, and it's going to be hot. You have seen the rivalry? It's going to be hot. Hapa kuna chemuka bwana. And we are going to enjoy it. So we have been glad to have you with us. You have been glad to have you following. And we appreciate you. So ningependa kuwa challenge pale. Enda pale to our YouTube channel, to our Facebook page, to our TikTok channel as well. And go there, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button, share with friends and family. And by the way, on our first video, guys, hiyo video iko karibu ama imefika 1K? Haijafika? No. I think it's a little bit less than 100. Tuifikishe 10 million. Guys, so tuitume, tuipush. I know these conversations are blessing you and they are making your day as well. Hazikubariki tu zinakutengenezea siku. So let's push these conversations. This is Unfiltered Chapters. I've been your host, Dennis Njage. God bless you so much, and I wish you all the best in your relationship. I know you have talked about a lot of things. Take notes, apply them, and then give us feedback. Kama kuna kitu ulipick hapa na ikakusaidia in your relationship, give us feedback so that we continue with this good work. God bless you. Adios. Mungu mbele. Mungu siku zombo.
God skuzombo.
Yeah. Peace out.